What is the difference between range and Xrange functions in Python 2.x? Apparently Xrange is faster, but I have no idea why it's faster, and no proof besides the anecdotal so far that it is faster, or what besides that is different about.
Xrange returns an iterator and only keeps one number in memory at a time. Range keeps the entire list of numbers in memory.
In Python 2.x, range creates a list, so if you do range 110000000, it creates a list in memory with 9999999 elements. Xrange is a sequence object that evaluates lazily. In Python 3, range does the equivalent of Python 2's range. To get the list, you have to explicitly use list range ... Xrange no longer exists.
Range creates a list, so if you do range 110000000, it creates a list in memory with 9999999 elements. Xrange is a sequence object that evaluates lazily. This is true, but in Python 3, range will be implemented by the Python 2 Xrange. If you need to actually generate the list, you will need to do
Xrange only stores the range params and generates the numbers on demand. However, the C implementation of Python currently restricts its args to C longs. Note that in Python 3.0 there is only range and it behaves like the 2.x Xrange, but without the limitations on minimum and maximum endpoints.